Shri Gurubhyo Namaha children. Welcome to our online teaching academy Ekalaiva. Today we are going to see 10th standard CBSE Maths topic area related to circles exercise 12.3 first question. Find the area of the shaded region if PQ equal to 24 centimeter and PR equal to 7 centimeter and O is the center of the circle. Okay, so this is center of the circle. Okay, and PQ equal to 24 centimeter. So this length is 24 centimeter. Then PR 7 centimeter. Okay, so we are going to find the area of the shaded region. Okay, see the circle. Okay, this is the diameter of the circle is divided into two equal parts. Okay, so this part is called it as semicircle. Okay, in the semicircle we have the triangle. If you remove this portion, you will get this area. Okay, so area of your semicircle minus area of your triangle, you will get the area of the shaded portions. Okay, so you want to find area of your semicircle. So what are the things you needed, children? You need the radius. Okay, so but here radius is not given. First we are going to find the radius. Okay, see here, this is the diameter of the circle. In the triangle, these two sides length is given. Okay, so this value we are going to find first. Okay, first you find the diameter. From the diameter you find the radius. Okay, see here angle in a semicircle is 90 degree. Angle in a semicircle is 90 degree. Semicircle is 90 degree. So that angle P equal to 90 degree. Here 90 degree. So what type of triangle is this? Right angle triangle. The opposite to the 90 degree is called it as hypotenuse. Okay. So here we are going to use the Pythagoras theorem. What is Pythagoras theorem, children? Can anyone say? Yes. The square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. Okay. So the square of the hypotenuse, the name of the hypotenuse is QR. Okay. So by Pythagoras theorem, in triangle PQR, okay, so hypotenuse is QR. QR square equal to RP square plus PQ square. Okay, here you substitute the value QR square equal to, here RP square, what is the value? 7. So 7 square plus PQ square, PQ value 24. Okay, so 24 square. 7 square, what you will get, children? 7 square means 7 into 7. So 7 sevens are 49 plus 24 square, 24 into 24, what you will get, children? 576. So QR square equal to, when we add this, what you will get, children? 625. So QR equal to, the square will change, square root of 625. Square root of 625. Okay, so how can you split this? 25 into 25. When you multiply this, what you will get, children? 25 into 25, you will get 625. The square root, so out of 2 digits, same digit you have to take it 1 out. Okay, so QR equal to plus or minus 25. So diameter cannot be negative. So what is that? You have to take it the positive only. So QR equal to plus 25 centimeter. So QR is represent diameter. What is that? diameter. So diameter equal to 25 centimeter. So we need to find out the radius. How we are going to find radius, children? What is the formula? Radius equal to diameter by 2. What is the formula? Radius equal to diameter by 2. Okay. Here diameter is 25. So 25 by 2 centimeter. Okay. So just you keep it as it is. Radius equal to 25 by 2 centimeter. Now radius equal to 25 by 2 centimeter. Okay. Next we are going to find the area of the shaded region. So area of the shaded region equal to area of a semicircle minus area of a triangle. First write the formula, children. What is the formula, children? Area of a semicircle, pi r square by 2. Pi r square by 2 minus area of a triangle half into base into height. What is the formula? Half into base into height. Okay. So we are going to substitute the value. The value of pi is 22 by 7. What is the value? 22 by 7. So 22 by 7 into r square. R square represent r into r. So here radius is 25 by 2. Okay. So 25 by 2 into 25 by 2 divided by 2. Okay. Minus half into base. Base of a triangle is 24. Into height. Height of the triangle is 7 centimeter. 7. Okay. See here. 2 ones are 2. 2 11s are 22. Okay. So now multiply this here. 11 into 25 into 25. 11 into 25 into 25. First you multiply 25 into 25, you will get 625 divided by, here 7 2s are 14. This divisions. Okay. So I am going to bring it into multiplications. So this 2 by 1 will change 1 by 2. Okay. Minus, here 2 ones are 2. 2 12s are 24. Okay. So now 12 into 7, what you will get, children? 7 2s are 14. 4 remaining 1. 7 ones are 7. 7 plus 1, 8. 84. Okay. Now you multiply this 11 into 625. 625 into 11. When we multiply with 1, we will get the same number. 5, 2, 6. Now add this 5, 7, 8, 6. 6,875. 6,875 divided by 2 into 14. 2 into 14, what you will get, children? 28. Minus 84. 6,875 by 28 minus 84. Okay. See here what is denominator? 1. Okay. So we are going to take LCM 28 and 1. Okay. The LCM of 28 and 1 is 28 only. Okay. So the common denominator is 28. Here already denominator is 28. So what is there in the numerator, you write as it is. Okay. So 6,875 minus, here denominator is 1. Okay. But we need to make it as 28. So we need to multiply with it 28 only, you will get 28. Okay. So once you multiply the denominator, you have to multiply the numerator also. So you want to multiply. Okay. So multiply this 84 into 28. 8 4s are 32, 2 remaining 3, 8 8s are 64, 64 plus 3, 67, 2 4s are 8, 2 8s are 16. 2, 15, 5 remaining 1, 12 plus 1, 13, 3 remaining 1, 2. Okay, so what we are getting? 2352. Okay, now we are going to subtract this. So 6875 minus 2352. So 5 minus 2, 3, 7 minus 5, 2, 8 minus 3, 5, 6 minus 2, 4. So what you are getting? 4523 by 28 centimeter square. You leave it as it is. Okay children? No need to divide this. You just keep it as it is. Okay? So what is the answer? Area of the shaded region equal to 4523 by 28 centimeter square. Is it clear children? See the next question. Find the area of the shaded region if radii of two concentric circles with center O are 7 centimeter and 14 centimeter, okay, respectively, and angle AOC equal to 40 degree. Angle AOC equal to 40 degree. Okay, here the concentric circle means it has a common center. Okay, for both the circle, O is the common center. Okay, so here the concentric circle, radii of the two concentric circle is given. One is 7 centimeter, another one is 14 centimeter. Okay, the first circle, this radius, okay, OB 7 centimeter, and this length, okay, outer circle, okay, this radius is 14 centimeter. Okay, so what are the things are given in the question? Theta is given, theta equal to 40 degree, and small r, here we have two radius, so one is represent small r and another one is represent capital R. Okay, so small r equal to 7 centimeter, capital R equal to 14 centimeter. Okay, so we are going to find the area of the shaded region. So area of the shaded region equal to here theta by 360 into pi into r square minus r square. Because this path we are going to find it, circular path. So we have the direct formula. Okay. So what is the formula? Theta by 360 degree into pi into r square minus r square. Okay. You substitute the value here. What is the theta value? 40 divided by 360 into here pi value 22 by 7. Radius r square, capital R square 14 centimeter. So 14 square minus small r 7. So 7 square. Okay. So 0 0 cancel. 4 ones are 4. 4 nines are 36. So 1 by 9 into 22 by 7 into 14 square. What you will get children? 196. Minus 7 square 49. 1 by 9 into 22 by 7 into 196. 196 minus 49. So 6 minus 9 we can't do. So just borrow. It becomes 8. It becomes 16. 16 minus 9 will get 7. Next, here 8 minus 4, 4, 1, okay. So 147, okay. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 ones are 7. Okay, what is there in the numerator? See here, 22 into 21. In the denominator, 9 we have it. Just you simplify this. 3 3s are 9, 3 7s are 21. Okay, so now you multiply the numerator. 22 into 7. What you will get, children? 7 twos are 14, 4 remaining 1. 7 twos are 14, 14 plus 1, 15. So 154 divided by 3. So what is the answer? Area of the shaded region equal to 154 by 3 centimeter square. Is it clear, children? Next question, third one. Find the area of the shaded region if ABCD is a square. ABCD is a square of side 14 centimeter. Okay, and APD. See here, APD and BPC are semicircles. Okay, so what is given here? ABCD is a square. Inside the square we have two semicircles. Okay, so what we are going to find? We are going to find the area of the shaded regions. How you will get this area, children? If you subtract these two semicircles from the square, you will get this area. Okay, so here the side of a square is 14 centimeter. In a square all the sides are equal. Okay, so all the sides 14 centimeter. Okay, here in the semicircle the radius is not given. Okay, so what is here? So look at here, this is the diameter of the semicircle. So diameter of a semicircle is equal to side of a square. Side of a square. Diameter of a semicircle is equal to side of a square. Here side of a square is 14 centimeter. So diameter equal to 14 centimeter. The radius equal to, what is the formula? I already told you, children. What is the formula? Yes, diameter by 2. So 14 by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 sevens are 14. So radius equal to 7 centimeter. Next we are going to find the area of the shaded region. Okay, so area of the shaded region equal to area of a square minus, here how many semicircles are there? 2 semicircles are there. So 2 into area of a semicircle. Area of a semicircle. Okay, first write the formula. Area of a square, what is the formula, children? Side into side. Okay, so side into side minus 2 into area of a semicircle, pi r square by 2. Substitute the value here. Side of a square is 14 centimeter. So 14 into 14 minus, here look at here, 2 ones are 2 ones are. So pi value 22 by 7 into r square. R square means r into r. So here radius is 7 centimeter. So 7 into 7. 7 ones are 7, 7 ones are 7. So when we multiply this, what you will get, children? 14 into 14, 196. So 196 minus 22 into 7. What you will get? 154. Now you subtract this. 6 minus 4, 2. 9 minus 5, 4. 1 minus 1, 0. So what is the answer? 42 centimeter square. So therefore area of the shaded region equal to 42 centimeters square. Okay, I hope, is it clear? To receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Thank you children.